This is a buckle, a Navajo buckle we picked up from an estate, and it's the old conch style, very heavy. You can see this is the type of weight you want for a buckle. Can't bend it. It's probably 14 gauge silver, which is very heavy. And you can see the silver work here. The stamp work is precise, it's even. Everything lays out beautifully. These are bump outs here. You can see from the back, it's bumped out from the back. Has the hinge type buckle back and the hook. Very heavy, very well made. You know, this type of workmanship, lately they're using as light a silver as they can possibly get. So when you wear a buckle with light silver, the tension will bend it and warp the design. But this one's not going to bend at all. This is very heavy, very well made. Unfortunately, as I said, we don't know the artist because it was an estate piece. But it's never been worn. There's absolutely no wear on this piece at all. It's in brand new mint condition and nicely done.